Hello friends, my name is Professor Dr. Hemant Madan and I am Regional Clinical Lead and Director Cardiology and Pediatric Cardiology at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurugram. Friends, I am often asked by patients in OPD or many a times by people in society, can heart disease occur in children? Now this is a surprising element because many of us are aware that heart disease is a very common disease occurring in adults. But a large number of people in general society are unaware that heart disease can also occur in children. This is a specific type of heart disease which is called congenital heart disease. These are diseases which children are born with. These are diseases which require a totally different kind of a specialty approach which is called pediatric cardiology. So of course, the heart disease can happen in children. It can also happen in newborn children. The incidence fortunately is not very high, it's about 1 to 2 per 1,000 births, but definitely heart disease can happen in children. Another question which is often asked by parents of children who have heart disease is that was there a way that we could have diagnosed it earlier or we could have suspected it earlier, or how does one suspect that their child has a heart disease? For this I want you to understand that there are essentially two types of heart diseases in children. One type, which is called the acyanotic heart disease, is a type of disease where there is no bluish discoloration of the baby. This disease often has two different types of components. The first type is what is called as holes in the heart, which can happen at multiple levels, either as ASD or as VSD or PDA. The second type is when there is narrowing of various valves or of various arteries of the heart, which can manifest as pulmonary stenosis, aortic stenosis, or coarctation of aorta. These diseases tend to be more common than the other variety, and they are slightly more difficult to diagnose by parents. The second variety, which is called cyanotic heart disease, is a type of disease where a child turns blue on routine activities such as crying or having milk. These diseases are rarer than the acyanotic heart diseases. They tend to be diagnosed earlier by parents because parents often notice a bluish discoloration in these babies. This bluish discoloration tends to get worse whenever a baby performs any activity such as crying or having milk, and therefore these parents often come to doctors with a complaint that their baby turns blue on these activities. A key issue in diagnosing and treatment of heart diseases is the age of a child. I cannot overemphasize that pediatric heart disease, even if it needs treatment, timing of surgery or timing of intervention is the key variable in these children. We should not operate on these children prematurely because they will have more adverse outcomes if they are operated in a hurry. At the same time, we should not delay treatment to such an extent that the heart has become irreversibly damaged because of prolonged waiting. Therefore, the key issue in performing any intervention or in performing surgery in pediatric heart disease is the timing of surgery. There are very few diseases which need surgery within the first year. A large majority of diseases we can wait. Waiting serves two purposes. One is there are diseases which are destined to become normal as a child ages, the most important among them being a ventricular septal defect. Many of these defects will close by the time a child is 4 or 5 years of age. And second is as the child becomes larger, a surgeon finds it easier to operate on a child's heart, and therefore surgery becomes technically easier and with less complications as a child ages. Thank you.